little dog, little dog, little dog. Lucy has a little dog with a wagging tail so long. Everywhere that Lucy goes, Lucy goes, Lucy goes. Everywhere that Lucy goes, the dog is sure to follow. He barks and runs around the park, around the park, around the park. He barks and runs around the park, chasing after butterflies. Lucy laughs and claps her hands, claps her hands, claps her hands. Lucy laughs and claps her hands as her dog jumps in the sand. Lucy has a little dog, little dog, little dog. Lucy has a little dog, her best friend all day long.